In this lecture, we will take a blog post and turn it into a video using VideoStew. As we go through this process, we will naturally learn the basic usage of VideoStew. Shall we get started? First, create a new project and enter a title. Here, we will write test. Next, click on link to ingredients and enter the URL of the blog or news article. I will enter a blog address that I have copied in advance. As you can see, a message appears saying that the length limit has been exceeded. In the text editor, you can enter up to 5K characters, so we will use the AI Assistant feature to shorten the text. To show you simply, we will select Short Form and click Confirm. This generates a video script of about 1,400 characters. If there are any parts you want to modify, it is better to edit them directly before moving on to the next step. Now it's time to choose a template or set up AI voice, background music, and other options. If you are using VideoStew for the first time, a default template is already set, so you can proceed to the next step. If this is not your first time, you can choose a different template through the Select Recipe menu. In the next step, slides are generated for each paragraph. Hover your mouse over the preview at the top to see a full preview. Let's try a full preview without making any changes first. After previewing, you might notice some areas that need editing. This is where VideoStew really shines. First, let's change the font. Select narration slides with Ctrl+click, choose a font you like from the font list, and drag and drop it onto the stage. This changes the font for all slides. Next, let's move the text box to the bottom. Since all slides are selected, the change will apply to all of them. This feature is VideoStew's multi-slide control, which enhances editing productivity. Next, let's change the AI voice for all slides. In the narration menu, click the Select Only Narration Based button to selectively choose the slides with voice applied. Set the desired voice, and it will change all at once. You can confirm the changes through a preview. Next, let's replace the visuals for each slide to better match the content. First, select the first slide and click Content-Based Search in the video library on the left. Images relevant to the slide's context will be recommended. Find an image you like and easily replace the element by dragging and dropping it. For the next slide, let's paste an image from the web. Right-click on an image on a website and select Copy Image. Then paste it into VideoStew using Ctrl+V. The image will upload to the screen. You can freely position the image using the handlers around it, and easily change the layout using the buttons in the upper right corner. For this image, it's better to show the entire picture without cropping, so let's set the display style to aspect ratio and center it. You can freely enhance the quality of each slide in this manner. Once editing is complete, it's time to render and download the video. Click the download button in the upper right corner. You'll see various formats available for download. Click the rendering button below the video. Depending on the length of the video, rendering may take a few minutes, so please be patient. You will be notified on the home screen once the rendering is complete, so there's no need to wait on this screen.
A few moments later.
Yes, once the download button is activated, rendering is complete. Click the download button to save the video to your device and distribute it to your desired channel. In this session, we briefly explored how to summarize and edit blog posts using AI. VideoStew offers many other exciting features as well. In the next session, I will introduce them one by one. Thank you.